Imagine spending hundreds of dollars on a brand new FPV drone today, only to find out that a revolutionary new drone is dropping in just a few weeks that makes your purchase completely outdated. Well, that is exactly what is happening right now. DJI is preparing to launch their first true 360 FPV drone, known as the DJI Avata 360. If the current information out there is accurate, this drone is going to completely change how you fly, how you film, and how you edit your footage. We are fast approaching the highly anticipated launch, which is looking to be around March. Today, I'm going to break down everything you absolutely need to know about the DJI Avata 360. We will cover the insane new camera specs, the upgraded design, the smart features, and exactly how much this new drone is going to cost you. So, put your wallet away because you do not want to buy an FPV drone until you see what DJI has been cooking up. Let us start with the most exciting part, which is the camera. The Avata 360 is not just a regular drone. It features a crazy dual camera setup. It uses massive 1/1.1-inch sensors. But here is the magic. The camera module actually rotates. This allows the drone to switch instantly between full 360-degree capture and a forward-facing configuration for your traditional FPV shooting. Just think about that. You are getting two entirely different drones in one single package. When it is in 360 mode, it is expected to shoot full spherical video in stunning 8K resolution at 60 frames per second. And when you want to fly traditional FPV, you simply switch modes, and it can record crystal clear 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second. You never have to choose between a 360 camera or an action camera ever again. Moving on to the design, DJI is sticking to the popular Cinewhoop style build. It has a compact frame with built-in, full propeller guards. This makes it incredibly safe to fly indoors or around people. However, there's a big change this time. DJI is moving to 4-blade propellers instead of the usual 3. What does this mean for you? It means significantly improved stability in the air and a much smoother throttle response when you're flying. The weight is expected to sit right around 370 to 380 grams. It might be slightly heavier depending on the final battery setup, but it remains a very agile machine. Speaking of the battery, you can expect flight times in the 23 to 25-minute range. For a ducked FPV drone pushing 8K resolution, that is a fantastic amount of flight time. Plus, it will support fast charging with a brand new charging hub, so you spend less time waiting and more time flying. Now, let's talk about the brains of this operation. The Avata 360 is rumored to be the smartest FPV drone DJI has ever created. It will feature multi-directional obstacle sensing. We are talking about forward vision sensors, side detection, and possibly even LiDAR assistance. This is huge. Flying in tight spaces or tracking fast-moving subjects will become so much easier and safer. For the connection, it will use DJI's O4 transmission system. This guarantees massive range, incredibly low latency, and a much stronger signal. You will likely pair it with the new DJI goggles N3 and the RC2 controller for the ultimate immersive experience. This drone completely changes the creative workflow. Normally, in FPV, you have to frame your shot perfectly while flying. If you miss the angle, the shot is ruined. But with 360 capture, you just fly your path. You do not worry about where the camera is pointing. Later, on your computer or phone, you can reframe the exact shot you want. You could fly a high-speed car chase and then edit it into a smooth orbit shot, all from one single flight. This is going to save creators so much time and stress. So, how much will this beast cost? DJI will likely offer a few different bundles. If you already own compatible goggles and controllers, the drone-only version could start anywhere from $400 to $500. The standard combo with the RC2 controller will probably land between $600 and $700. And for the ultimate fly more bundle with extra batteries and the goggles N3, expect to pay between $800 and $1,000. Keep in mind, this pricing could vary by region, but it shows DJI is making this drone accessible for both beginners and pros. In my opinion, the DJI Avata 360 is an absolute masterpiece. It blends aggressive flight performance with unbelievable creative freedom, pushing FPV into a new hybrid 360 category is exactly the kind of innovation the drone world needed. It completely eliminates the stress of missing the perfect shot. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all the latest drone news, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.